Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a quicker than it should be review. That's right, everybody has their own version of Tech Tuesday or Flashy Friday or whatever it may be. This is going to be mine, quicker than it should be review, and today we are doing the G2 RGB video light that I did not win from Danny Black's channel. If you know, you know. Let's open it up and see what we get. Here it is, the light. Let's see what all we get in the package, okay? You get a cord, you get a mount, you get a storage bag, you get a user manual, and what is this? Mystery prize. Booyah! They give you an actual tripod. And this is actually a really nice tripod. I can use this on my Insta360. Since they gave it to us, let's go ahead and display it. You can just screw your light on here horizontally, like so. This appears like you can stand it up, lay it down flat, it rotates. That's very cool. The one that I have does not have all this mobility to it, that's for sure, and you can angle it in any direction that you need to. It comes with a charge cord, USB to USB-C, about 3.5 feet long, but this is what we're here for. Let's turn this sucker on and see what it's got. There's a color change mode. What's this button do? Oh, this is how bright it is. You can actually control the brightness from 100% all the way down to 0%. Okay, if you push the button down, it goes to preset increments. We have 0, 10, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. And that's this little button right here. That's how you change the brightness. And you just push that same button. It's a multi-function button. This is your off-on switch right here. And then you have a set button. Well, we're just gonna have to take a closer look at this. So basically in a nutshell, since this is a super fast review, you have CCTV, RGB, FLS. Now when you're under the CCTV mode, that's basically just your white light. I don't know if you can see it reflecting on the table or not. That allows you to set your color temperature from 10,000 all the way down to 2600K. So this is all under CCTV mode. You have your brightness setting and you have your white balance setting. Then we're gonna go to the next mode. Now we're under the RGB mode. And like I said, you have saturation, brightness, then you have the hue, where you can actually scroll through all the different colors, and then you have the saturation. And then under the FLS is all your different modes. You have fire truck, ambulance, police, TV screen, lightning, SOS, RGB fast, RGB slow. And so that's all the different modes. So in essence with this light, you get 3 different modes all together. You have RGB, where it's just a solid RGB color. You have a special effects mode, and you have the CCTV, which is just like used for a video light, and you completely have control over the brightness and the white balance. This thing is all aluminum. This little brace down here is all aluminum as well. It is all fit together nice and tight. If you set it somewhere, you're not gonna have troubles with this thing flopping around. And as I said before, they also include another little mount here. So you can actually mount this on top of a camera if you like. You just screw this into the port and it's got the cold shoe mount. So a very nice video light. It's gonna give you some cool special effects. It's gonna light however you need. It's fully functional as far as positioning and how you wanna set it up and where you wanna direct your light. And links for this are gonna be in the description down below. I'm Steve WB. And I'm out.